Some good news tonight following a terrifying school bus rollover in Western Manitoba. Tonight, health officials say most of the people hospitalized are headed home. The Canadian Press is reporting one patient will remain at Swan Valley Health Centre in stable condition, while 3 others who were airlifted to hospital in Winnipeg are expected to be discharged before the end of today. RCMP say 4 people suffered significant injuries when a school bus carrying 14 teenage students lost control and rolled over on an icy highway while trying to pass another bus near the community of Mafeking, north of Swan River. The RCMP investigation is ongoing. No word yet on whether any charges may be laid. And that rollover has renewed calls tonight for seatbelts on school buses. As CTV's Joseph Bernacki explains, the Premier says he is open to the conversation.
If we had those seatbelts, would we have had the sprains and the injuries that we had?
It's a question rural bus driver and school bus safety advocate Jody Ruta keeps asking. Ruta says she couldn't sleep last night after seeing reports on the school bus crash north of Swan River. 14 students and a driver on board from Sapoteac Cree First Nation were on their way to Swan Valley Regional Secondary School when the bus careened off the highway.
We're lucky there's no deaths, but no one in that bus crash is lucky.
Ruta has been a bus driver in Beausejour for 6 years. She's built a following on social media, showcasing herself on the job and asking for seatbelts to become mandatory. Tuesday's rollover hit her on a personal level, reminding her of a crash she was in 2 years ago when a pickup truck smashed into the rear end of her bus at this railroad crossing.
I got to watch all of my students, kids that I care about, be flung forward like rag dolls. And then I got to hear them scream and cry for their mums and their dads. And that was in a lucky crash.
Ruta believes the addition of seatbelts to school buses will make them safer. Sapoteac Chief Nelson Janai says it's a bigger conversation that needs to happen.
Seatbelts in school buses, are they mandatory? Are they available? That's something that should be looked at in the near future.
On Tuesday afternoon, Premier Canoe said he's open to the conversation of seatbelts on school buses, but wants to know more information about how this crash occurred.
We have to be patient about identifying what took place in this instance before we rush to propose the right solution.
Lac du Bonnet PC MLA Wayne Owasco tabled a bill in early December. It would require any school bus manufactured after 2025 to have 3-point passenger seatbelts installed.
I don't think anybody ever would argue that we want to make sure that our kids are safe, our students are safe from the time they get on the bus to the time they get home after school.
Joseph Bernacki, CTV News, Beausejour.